Welcome to this hands-on journey with Amazon Bedrock, where we will explore an end-to-end business solution using AI capabilities. While the console allows us to experiment with various Bedrock features as a playground, a process we've explored in previous Amazon Bedrock tutorials. However, the true power of Bedrock emerges when you integrate it into your own application using API calls. In this tutorial, we'll walk through a practical, interactive demo called the AI Stylist, provided by AWS, to demonstrate how Bedrock can underpin a real-world solution. Let's get started by launching the AI Stylist demo. This application exemplifies what a production-grade solution built on Amazon Bedrock can achieve. The AI Stylist is designed to generate personalized outfit recommendations tailored to user preferences and contextual needs. Upon launching the demo, we are greeted by a virtual assistant. Hi, I'm your personal stylist. Let's find an outfit that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Can you tell me more about what you're looking for? We input a sample prompt. I am a consultant traveling to New York next week. What kind of outfit should I wear on my first day in the office? This prompt cannot be edited in this demo. Clicking Generate My Look triggers the back-end processes powered by Amazon Bedrock. Behind the scenes, the system evaluates our input using multiple knowledge bases, which serve as the foundation for personalized recommendations. These knowledge bases include product catalog, private data, contains inventory and product details from the retailer, fashion trends, public data, provides insights into current styles and preferences, order history, private data, tracks previous purchases, customer reviews, private data, captures user feedback and experiences with products. For this particular query, the AI Stylist leverages the product catalog and fashion trends knowledge bases. An AI agent, a more advanced Bedrock feature, orchestrates the query and synthesis process. These AI agents are capable of retrieving information from multiple sources and assembling cohesive responses. Upon processing, the AI Stylist presents two curated outfit options: business formal and business casual. These outfits are not only textually described but also visually generated using AI-powered image generation. This seamless blend of AI-driven text and image content showcases Bedrock's multimodal capabilities. Next, we explore a suggested prompt. What do people like about the business formal jacket? Here, the AI agent queries the customer reviews knowledge base, extracting insights from 325 reviews. It synthesizes the feedback into a concise summary. Customers appreciate the jacket's quality, color, and fabric. Curious for more, we ask, show me specific reviews that talk about the quality of the fabric for the jacket. The agent dives deeper into the reviews database, retrieving detailed user comments about the jacket. We proceed with another query. What size should I wear? Leveraging our order history knowledge base, the agent suggests size M, considering our past purchases. Satisfied with the recommendation, we instruct the AI Stylist to add it to my cart. The agent communicates with the backend APIs to update the shopping cart in real time. The journey concludes with a final step. Finalize the order. The agent processes the order, confirming the transaction and delivery details. Additionally, contextual suggestions appear, such as adding weather-appropriate accessories based on forecast data, an example of Bedrock's contextual adaptability. This demonstration encapsulates how Amazon Bedrock transforms user experiences, enabling natural, conversational interactions powered by AI agents, multimodal content generation, and dynamic knowledge-based queries. The AI Stylist is more than a demo. It exemplifies how Bedrock can be harnessed to build innovative, business-oriented applications that simplify decision-making and enhance customer satisfaction. Now that we have walked through the AI Stylist journey, you can visualize how Bedrock's capabilities seamlessly integrate into applications to deliver intelligent, real-time solutions tailored to your business use cases.